Hey guys, I'm going to make this video quick and simple. I'm not going to take up much of your time. Most of you are seeing this video because you're friends with me on Facebook. My name is Marina Mercedes, or you follow my business like page on Facebook called Deals and Freebies. So basically I've been getting a lot of messages asking me what it is I do and how I'm making this much money from home. So I want to make this video to kind of tell you what I do, show you some proof, and I wanted to put my face out there for anybody that was skeptical because it's not a scam. I'm a real person. If this was a scam, I would not put my face out on the internet because I do not want to get arrested. So here I am making this video. What I do is self-explanatory. There's not much explaining to it. All I do is post ads on social media. We work for a legit company that's been around over 60 years. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we do taxes every year. So to start this job, you have to fill out a tax form. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to start. You don't have to bother friends and family to make money with us. It's simple, guys. You just post ads online. That's it. You post ads online. Your ads make sales for you for the company, and the company pays you commissions. It's simple. You get paid every Friday, directly deposited in your account. Today's payday. Every Friday you get paid, and I want to take out my paycheck to show you I'm really making money. This is real money. So, guys, I made this in a week. This is about $3,000 right here in 1 week of just posting ads online. So, you can do the same thing. Like, anybody can do this as long as you have internet access on a smartphone or a computer. And if you're a U.S. or Canadian resident, 18 years of age, then you can work for us. Posting ads online, get paid for it. You're on Facebook all the time anyway, you might as well get paid for it. So if you want to start training and you want to get started making this kind of money, go ahead. All you need to do is like this video, share this video, and then comment info. And once you do those 3 things, I will send you a personal message with all the information you need to get started. And if you have any questions, I will answer them for you. Again, guys, this is an awesome opportunity. I started doing this about 2 months ago. I saw a video just like this one on Facebook. I was skeptical about it, but I had nothing to lose, so I figured I'd give it a try. Here I am 2 months later. I was able to put my 2 weeks in at my job. I make more working about 3 hours a day online from home than I did at my 40-hour-a-week job. So, $3,000 a week, come on. Most people with our company make anywhere from $500 a week to $5,000 a week. So, it's not too good to be true. It's a real job. You have to work, you have to post your ads. If you don't work and you're not motivated and you don't actually post your ads, you're not going to make money. So don't come into this thinking this is a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not. You have to do the work. The work is not hard, it's easy. So, as long as you're willing to do the work, you can make this kind of money. So again, like this video, share this video, comment info, and I will get you started making money from home. So, come on, guys. It's simple.